fish heads, fish heads, roly-poly fish heads, roly-poly fish heads. Here, walk backwards. You want to walk it back? Oh, it came off. Did you go over the edge? You did. You did. You went where you weren't supposed to go. No.
I was like, I just saw him like 5 feet.
Andrew caught his first shad. That's good eating right there.
Yeah, we're gonna keep it. Not your fish. Dad wants to keep our fish.
For bait? Yeah. Bait. That's good bait. Look at that.
For what? Catfish?
Yeah. Striper.
Are we doing catfish later today?
The guy was telling me next month you catch a bunch of 16 to 18, 20 and striper right here.
Oh, well. What's that one?
For stuff like this. Got a couple were given to us, but that's about 10 pounds of cut bait right there. Overall, not bad. Time for catfish. Let's go get some catfish. Alright, back at the house here. So, here's our catch. What do we have? We got one. We got two. We got three. We got four.
This one's huge. Oh, this.
Well, someone ate one. Now we use that for cut bait, but it didn't work out. They're not biting over there. This is 6. Look how big this guy is. Oh, it's a beast. There's another small one. That was a small one, this is a small one. Yeah, just like that. Here, rinse that out too. Fish heads, roly-poly fish heads, roly-poly fish heads.